What's going on, DIYers? My name is Billy and welcome back to Mr. Fix It. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how to adjust the temperature on an electric water heater. So let's get right into it. Alright, before we get started, I'm going to talk about the tools we're going to need to complete this project. The first thing you're going to need is a Phillips screwdriver and a small flat blade screwdriver. Alright, so the next thing we're going to do is go ahead and unplug the water heater from the outlet. You could also turn it off at the circuit breaker. Alright, then we're going to go ahead and remove this panel. Alright, once we have that panel removed, we're going to go ahead and remove this foam insulation. Alright, then there's a cover covering up the thermostat. We'll just go ahead and pop that right off. Alright, now we can get in there to adjust it. Alright, so once you got the plastic protective cover off, you can go ahead and take your flat blade screwdriver and adjust it to your desired temperature. I like to keep mine just a little bit above 125. The manufacturer recommends that you do keep it at least 120 degrees so bacteria does not grow in your tank. Once you get it adjusted to your desired temperature, make sure you remember what that is, because we will have to adjust the lower one to the same temperature. Alright, so now we can go ahead and place our plastic cover back over the thermostat. And go ahead and put our foam back in. And then we can go ahead and replace the cover. I always like to start both screws before I tighten any of them up. Alright, and there we go. We got the first one adjusted. Now we'll go ahead and go on to the bottom. Alright, now that we got the top one done, let's go ahead and do the bottom. We're just going to repeat the process. Go ahead and remove the cover. Then we're going to remove our foam insulation. Pop our protective cover off. Get it adjusted. We can put our cover on, then we can put our foam back in. Then we'll go ahead and reinstall our cover. Alright, that's going to be all for this video. If you haven't already, consider subscribing below for more how-to videos. We'll see you on the next project.